8 hours of hard labor. Started my hair since started 6:30 last night. I was there for like 4 hours, and this is what I could get done. I don't know what this looked like. My daughter said the last two row there is too big, but I can't see what I'm doing. I think my hair was kind of not too full, so the feeling feels right. So I'm using this. It's called it's a Brazilian wool, and I've used one pack. I'm on my second pack already. So let's get this going. And this is my castor oil. So when I cut the hair, I put a bit of castor oil on it. I couldn't sleep very much last night. The pain is too much. With getting your hair done, especially when the weather, even aside the weather, I have sensitive scalp. And because of that, I really don't like doing my hair. My hair is like rubber. See, they are even at the tip. So it's a bit of a work getting it done. So this is just about me feeling the air. What I'm doing, I don't know. But and this is the castor oil. Kind of use it to kind of moisturize the air. It's really nice. And this is my hair. Cut a part. Just to make my job easier, I do this. I remember I started doing my own hair during the lockdown 2020 after having my baby. I had my baby on the 28th of January 2020, and lockdown started in February or March. I think March. Then stuck at home, nursing a baby. I started doing my hair myself, which was good. But you cannot compare the level of my determination towards doing things then to now. I have grown. Even though I know how to do hair a bit, but it wasn't my thing because I don't like doing my hair. Whether somebody is doing it because of the pain. Like last night, I was just moving from one place to the other. I don't want to put, sleep on the hair. And I'm the one doing the hair, so it's not like it's too tight. It's just I have sensitive scalp. This would have been nice for twisting, but I can't do twisting on my own head. When we talk about gift, there are a lot of gifts that are hidden in us, and until we acknowledge it. Last night I was saying to my husband when he was here keeping me company, I was saying, oh, you really know how to do it. She can do her own hair nicely. Well, maybe not perfectly. She can do other people's hair and she get paid for that. Maybe she got the gift from me. But I'm not using my own gift. You understand? Because if you have a gift and you don't activate it, you don't showcase it, then it's nothing. Nobody know you have that gift. You understand what I'm saying? So she kind of activated her own, but I don't like mine. So I would have been a professional hairdresser by now if I have embraced this gift from the moment I got it. And I'm talking about over 20 years ago. And I'm not kidding. I know my older sister will be saying that time, if you have been doing this hair, then this is what I do. Because I saw this, a good friend of mine got this for me from Nigeria. So I saw somebody use the Brazilian wool, and she was doing this because it will come off, even though she did twisting. Then I said, well, since I have it, let me do it. And since some people were complaining of my hair, that the style of hair I had on is not nice. But here we are. What was I saying? My sister will say, if you have been doing this year, you have been perfect by now. I remember a while ago when I only have 3 kids, my sister will be the one to do iron and erase hair. And no pressure whatsoever. She's happy to do it. And these girls now, they don't want us to do their hair anymore. They would rather go and, do their hair with somebody they think is a professional. But then that time, I couldn't do their hair except for basic, not too fancy kind of hairstyle. Until the lockdown started. That was when I embraced doing my own hair. And then with Esther in the picture, I've been the one doing her hair. So your gift is between God and yourself. Your gift is on the inside, between you and God. And until you activate that gift, you know that thing that they say, nobody's gonna know. How will they know? Nobody's gonna know. How will they know? Like, seriously. You have something, you know something. You are not saying you know it. You are not demonstrating you know it. You are not showing people, telling people you know it. They will not know it. Even if they are looking for somebody who could do that thing for them, they will not know. They will not even think of you, because there is no reason for them to think you know how to do it. So that's the thing with gift. It's hidden. It's a gift to you to give to other people. But the thing is, there is a possibility, or even not a possibility, in most cases, the people who are hungry for your gift have been told that you are coming to them. I watched this Anora films. The people that you are going to feed with your gift have been told that somebody is coming. They might not know who you are, but they know that somebody is coming. Because it's all in circle. You need something from other people. And you wouldn't pray that they don't come to you, because you need those gifts. So also the people that you are supposed to feed will be waiting and craving, and most times in tears, waiting for you. And the longer you delay, the more pain you are putting those people who are waiting for your gift. So you just have to activate that gift. You just have to activate it. And I think I said in one of my videos, I'm just so thankful, because I talk about procrastination. I made a video about procrastination. I procrastinate too. But it's just level divorce, I acknowledge that I procrastinate. I'm getting better at it. Don't let anybody come to you to say, oh, what, as if they've not been through what they are talking about. We all have things that we are trying to be better. Self-discovery, self-development is a long-term thing. It's not you want to build a house and you build the house and that is it. No, self-discovery is not like that. Because every time you wake up, you continue to develop who you are as a person. Why is this thing giving me a headache now? Anyway, you continue to discover yourself as a person. Because like I was saying before, the determination that I put into doing my own hair in 2020 is different to what I'm doing just now. It's different to it. And determination goes a long way. And of course, what you do regularly, you get better at. And it becomes your passion. But pay attention to what you do regularly. Because you could just be wasting your time enjoying what is not even in line with your purpose. So you need to pay attention to that, so you don't keep wasting your time, trying to, build resources of nothing. It's like living your own business and minding other people's business. It's not a bad thing to mind other people's business, but who is looking after yours? Why you go about minding someone else's business? So that's just it. We have to look inward and see what area we are very good at. People might have been saying to you, oh, you're very good with this. Please pay attention to those areas, because you can't die loaded. You need to die empty. We all have to die empty. That is to show that all the things that have been given to us, we have, passed it on to other people. And taking a bold step, taking a step of faith, of course, it's not easy. But you need to take one step in order to take the second. you cannot take the second step first. So you need to take the first step before you take the second step. So whatever gift that you have, start from yourself first. If it's the gift of, braiding people hair, start with the people around you. Do your own hair if you can. Or if you have a sister or somebody who could volunteer to let you do the hair, announce that gift through that person to say, I can do hair, I can do this, I can do that. And people will see it. If you know how to cook, cook and serve people. Maybe taster and let them eat. Because people that don't live in your house will not know if you're a good cook or not. Only the people who live in your house will know you're a good cook. And if it's something you are looking forward to in the future to really go into, you need to announce it. You cannot keep your gift to yourself. If you're a good listener, listen to people. Show the gift that you have. And your gift will become a talent for you to share with the world. You got to be that. So it looks like bit fear one because I'm right-handed. How will I maneuver this face? Anyways, keep going. Almost there. Need a few left. So, yeah, don't do. This one is supposed to be back to back, but if I was looking at it, it would have been nicer. See this cutting? Not nice. Because I already got here when I realized. But I got better here. I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here, I didn't do much of it. Or maybe this is the side I have more air and I don't have more air here. I don't know. So anyway, I didn't do bad. So this is what 8 hours got me. 8 hours of hard labor. Yeah, there's more air on this side than here. Oh, it is what it is. Yeah, so if you can see it, you can achieve it. So, on to the next one. Mafi, I will use hot water to press it down if I can. I don't know what it looks like. Okay. Like I said from the beginning, you never know how useful a gift will be until you activate it into a talent. So whatever gift that you are holding hostage within yourself, let it out. Because other people are in need of this gift. So till I come to your screen again, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, warriors.